Jackson's and Mommy's home science lab. In the supply for our next project, we need a piece of wood, a jar, a candle, and a lighter. But make sure you have a grown-up to use it.
What else do we need?
Also, we need a glass dish.
And?
A cup of water.
Okay.
A big one.
For step one,
we need a candle, and we need a grown-up to use the lighter to light it up. And
put the jar over top.
And then it easily goes out.
Let's watch it and see what happens.
Yep. It goes out because there's no oxygen. But fires need oxygen to burn. Also, the jar blocks the oxygen from getting the air to burn onto the candle. And it feels hot right now.
Does it? It's a little bit warm.
Yeah.
Not too hot to touch, though.
Next step, we're going to set it all up. We're going to need some wood into the dish.
Mm-hmm.
And we need a candle on top of the wood, jar on top, and we need to fill us up with water.
Yep, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
And we're not going to put the water further than this piece of wood.
Just tell me when to stop.
Okay. Gentle. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's, oh, no, actually add some more. A little bit more. Okay, that's good. Next, we're going to add some food coloring.
And it's only flowing a little bit.
What color are you going to pick, Jackson?
That's the wrong one. So, I'm going to choose blue, my favorite color. Mr. Blue, 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 blue. Mr. Blue, blue, bluey, blue. Now, we're going to put the food coloring in there.
You want to put some on this side too? So it mixes all up?
And here. And then there.
All right. Now we can take this little straw to mix the food coloring in gently with the water.
Yeah. Or we can use one of my suction things. We already used one though. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Look at all, it's turning blue.
All right.
My favorite color.
So when you put the water in, the water should be just touching the bottom of the rim of the jar. Now, what's our next step, Jackson?
Our next step is to take it off quickly and light the candle up.
Can you hold this? Okay, so we're going to point it at what we're doing.
Alright.
Okay, we're gonna take the jar off. Again, make sure an adult is the one to light the candle. And the reason I'm pressing down on this board is because it is floating.
Yeah. Remember it floated last time, guys?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I lit the candle. Now we're gonna put the jar back on top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now let's watch what happens, and we'll watch the water level and see. I'm just gonna hold the jar down, that way it doesn't float.
There's some in there.
What's happening? Is the water going up into the jar?
Yeah! And making it out! Also,
It's actually pulling the water up into the jar.
Also,
The water level inside the jar is floating. The candle has burned out.
mm-hmm.
And now there is water inside there.
Yeah.
Watch out. Move your hand for a second, sweetie. So the water level, which was not in the jar before, is now inside the jar.
Yeah, inside a jar.
Let's do it again and see if it goes up anymore. So I'm going to lift the jar. Here, do you want to hold this?
Let's see
point
what-
it at